Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to change a family member on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your personal Facebook page. On your profile page, find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal details and connections are stored, including your family relationships. Next, scroll through the About page and find the Family and Relationships option. This section displays everyone you've linked as family members on your profile. Now, look for the family member you want to change. Right next to their name, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on these dots to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Edit Family Member. Here, you can make any changes you want, whether that's updating the relationship type, changing the name, or removing the connection altogether. Once you've made the necessary changes, be sure to click Save to confirm everything you've updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed a family member on your Facebook page. It's quick and easy with this new update. If you ever need to adjust your family details again, just follow these steps. Thanks for watching.